welcome my new video. Our previous video I told math is like a god. Today I will give about this idea. Some people looks at the cat and frog. I think this is beautiful. Actually nature is so beautiful. If we want to understand this more deeply, this realization is life science and biology, for example. Other people pick up an example of boiling of sun, moon and star. I want to understand that better. This is the physics. Other people, they see an aeroplane, they want to build it, they optimize it, and this is a machine that explore all universe. This is the engineering. There is another pupil who try to pick particular example and study the idea, and true, he is mathematician. Look deeply at the nature, we will understand it deeply. Of course, this is a scientific method. This is a social science. You have that application in politics and economics. This is the natural science. You have this application in physics and chemistry. This is the engineering. You have all engineering field, biomedical, engineering, chemical and application technology, biotechnology, communication, all etc. At last, humanity. This is the application of philosophy, art and music. And see the picture, between both of them is math. Now, math does show up all the field. Math is everywhere. Math is specially make a connection. How this is make connection? This is the question. It is actually that is not easy to understand it. Just think for a few minutes. There is a beautiful number in mathematics which is pi. Pi was discovered the geometric property of the circle. Pi was discovered to represent the geometric property of the circle. Pi equal to the ratio of the circumference divided diameter. Because every circle has diameter, but nowhere in the world is anything of circle. Circle is pure mathematical area, construction of geometry. If you fixed center point, when you take all the point is equidistant from center point. In 2 dimension, this construction produce circle, and 3 dimension this construction produce sphere. But nowhere in the world is anything circle and sphere. This is the idea of the mathematics. Let's see some history of the pi. Let's see some history of the use of the pi. Basically, the surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square is equal to the surface area of the cylinder that contains on the sphere. The greatest mathematician, Euler, discovered e to the power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. And in mathematics, we use e to the power I pi plus 1 equal to 0. This formula provides the connection between algebra, geometry, trigonometry, etc. the greatest mathematician, provide the formula of normal distribution, and all probability depends on this formula. The theory of relativity, which is discovered by Einstein. This formula is useful for harmony of planetary motion. Now look at all the formula. Every of them depends on pi. Look this formula. And look, all physical phenomena of every formula is different. So when you see circle, you see the formula of and think it yourself. Now circle is our one geometry and math is so much more. So I compare math is as a God, because God is a creation, and similarly math, and we call God in different name. Similarly in math. Bye. Take care and think it and visualize it.